Hi yogis, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn how to do the boat pose, means Dhanurasana, which is a great practice for your tummy and for your thigh fat. So if you are intermediate, beginner, intermediate, advanced, still you can do this too. So for this, today I am using my skipping rope. If you have a yoga belt, you can utilize that. If you have a chunni, dupatta, whatever you have, you can use that one. So let's get started.
Alright, we'll start with the rope. Hold it in your hands. Keep it wider and just bring it up towards the ceiling. We'll do the shoulder rotation one by one. Move your right hand or left, whatever you like. I have started with my left. Bring it back and bring it forward 5 rounds each. When you are doing this, make sure you don't move your other hand. Now you will see what I'm trying to say. See, I'm not moving my left hand, I'm just working with my right. If you will move both together, then it won't work. Alright, now we will try with the both hands. You take your both hands at the back and you bring it forward. Do 5 rounds. Remember, the further you take it away, the easier it's going to be. The closer you get your hands together, the harder it is. So in the next round, I will bring my rope little bit closer to make it little hard. Now again with the breathing, I'll bring my hands back and forward. When you do this, make sure you don't bend your elbows. It has to be straight. Five rounds. Keep breathing. Few more rounds. And done. Keep it aside. We will use it later. Now come to your tabletop position. Your hands has to be under the shoulder and this is your tabletop position. So we will do the puppy pose. For that, bring your knees back and take your hands further. Try to bring your chest on the floor. If you cannot, do not worry. You just lift your chest up like this. Hand separation has to be according to your shoulder. And to make it little bit harder, you can interlace your fingers and bring it up towards the ceiling. Make sure if it is going outside, you need to bring your elbows little bit together and try to go back as much as you can to open up your middle back, thorax. Now bring your forearms down and try to bring your belly on the floor. Bring your hands under the shoulder and do your Poon Bhujangasana. If you can't do this, you can always do half also. But try to do full with the holding. And then come down. So I'll show you the second option. So with the forearm, you can do the half like this with the holding. Alright, come down. Now let's do back crunches to make our back more warm. So bring your hands under the shoulder and try to lift your upper part as much as you can. And do as much rounds as you can. I think I have done 10. With every lifting, I was inhaling and exhaling when I'm coming down. Let's do our cobra again. Take deep breaths here. Feel your back. Alright, come down. Now bring your feet close to your butt. Lift your one thigh, lift your other thigh. Do it 2-3 times. Now get your rope and catch your one leg. So again I have started with my left. So you can bring your hands close to the ankle or far. It is up to you, as much as you like. And see, I am lifting my thigh up off the ground. This is very important. People don't realize this. And for the balancing, we have to do on the both side. Grab the other one and repeat the same thing. Lift your leg up as much as you can. Alright, come down. Now we will try to do without the rope. Oops. Alright. Hold your ankle from outside and try to lift your upper part, your leg, your thigh. Try to come up on your belly. And let's do it on the other side also. Come down. Alright, now we will do with the both legs. So I'll show you first with the rope. So same what you have done with the one leg, same you have to do with two legs here. So this is what I feel comfortable. So I lifted my body first, then I got the help from rope, and then I went back to my posture. Now lift your body up as much as you can. See, for more opening I'm going back and then come down. Now let's try to do with our hands. If you can't, you can keep repeating with the rope. Here also, when I'm taking my body backward, I'm working on my hard opening. If you can't move your body back or forward, you can hold the posture. Or if you can move a little bit, that's also fine in the beginning. Even I have started like that. Let's do few rounds. Alright, release it. Now, so this is for intermediate people. So here I will, initially we have worked with the shoulder rotation. See, here I will move my scapula and I will lift my leg up again. And do it on the other side also. Oops, again got stuck. Alright, let's do it on the other side. Rotate your shoulder and lift your leg up, upper part up, and try to maintain it. I am breathing here. I don't retain my breath. Alright, now this is for advanced people. They're gonna love this one. Hold your thumb from inside. And then slowly you lift your body and rotate your shoulders. This is called full bow pose. Dhanurasana. Yay! Alright, when you remove this, when you come back, make sure you come slowly and make sure you rest in child's pose at the end, which is very important after backward bends. This posture relaxes your whole body. Take few deeper breaths here. You can stay here as much as you can. This is the end of my video. Thank you so much.